Your iPhone 14 Pro Max is still a monster. The cameras are incredible. Battery life is excellent. The display still feels flagship level. And for most people, there's no real reason to upgrade yet. But here's the truth nobody talks about. A premium phone with bad accessories feels like a downgraded experience. Weak chargers, cheap screen protectors, bad cases, unstable tripods, messy cable setups. That stuff makes daily use frustrating fast. And considering how much people spend on a Pro Max, it makes zero sense to pair it with low-quality accessories that create more problems than they solve. That's why today, we're breaking down the best iPhone 14 Pro Max accessories that actually improve how you use your phone every single day. And trust me, number one is the accessory that quietly makes every other product on this list better. All product links are in the description below if you want updated pricing. And before we jump in, what's the one accessory you can't live without? Wireless charger? Case? Tripod? Screen protector? Car mount? Drop your answer in the comments. Let's get into it. Before we hit number 6, here's the biggest mistake people make. They buy random accessories based on flashy ads, and 6 months later, that stuff ends up forgotten in a drawer. The best accessories solve daily problems. Starting at number 6, the WRVVR magnetic wireless charger is built for convenience. And getting 2 chargers in one pack instantly makes this more practical. One for your desk, one for your nightstand. Problem solved. The magnetic alignment feels strong. And that matters because weak wireless chargers get annoying fast. You place your phone down and wake up with 12% battery because it shifted overnight. That doesn't happen here. Charging speeds are solid, and the thermal performance feels more consistent than many cheap alternatives. Compared to Apple's official charger, this gives you far more value. The downside? It doesn't hit the fastest charging speeds on the market, but for convenience and price, it's hard to complain. At number 5, the OMOTON Tripod is incredibly useful for creators, but even non-creators can benefit from this. Video calls, group photos, gym recording, travel content, watching videos on flights. This thing handles all of it. And the magnetic mounting system feels far easier than traditional clamp tripods. That's a huge quality of life upgrade. The lightweight design also makes it easy to carry. Compared to bulkier tripods, this feels far more travel-friendly. The downside? It won't replace full-size professional tripods, but that's not its purpose. For everyday flexibility, it's excellent. At number 4, the Ailun Protection Kit gives you something most people ignore until it's too late: complete protection. And this bundle gives you both screen and camera protection. That immediately increases value, especially for people who constantly drop their phones. The glass feels responsive, display clarity remains strong, and the camera protectors help avoid expensive lens scratches. The downside? Installation takes more patience because there's no premium tray system. Still, for value, this is excellent. At number 3, the DENGWENQIANG charger bundle solves a problem Apple created: no included charging brick. And somehow, that's still annoying. This bundle gives you 2 chargers and dual ports. That means charging multiple devices becomes much easier. The 20-watt speeds are solid, and it performs similarly to far more expensive chargers. Compared to premium GAN chargers, this feels less compact, but for value, very strong. At number 2, the GETPALS 3-in-1 charging station is perfect for Apple ecosystem users. And if your desk currently looks messy, this fixes that immediately. Your iPhone, AirPods, Apple Watch. One clean station. That simplicity feels great. The foldable design also makes it ideal for travel. That's where it beats bulkier alternatives. And the included wall adapter adds even more value. The downside? Charging speeds slow down slightly when charging everything at once, but the convenience makes up for it. Now, before we reveal number 1, ask yourself this: what accessory affects literally every other MagSafe product you buy? Your case. And that's why number 1 wins. The ESR Classic Hybrid case takes the top spot because it makes everything else work better. And that Halo Lock magnet strength is
the biggest reason. Car mounts, wallets, wireless chargers, battery packs. Everything feels more secure. That magnetic strength is significantly better than many cheap cases. The raised camera protection is another huge win. And the clear design lets your iPhone still look like an iPhone. Compared to cheaper clear cases, this feels far more durable. And it resists yellowing better over time. The downside? Like most clear cases, you'll still eventually clean fingerprints often. But for everyday use, this is one of the easiest recommendations on this list. So, here's the final breakdown. Best wireless charging bundle, WRVVR. Best tripod, OMOTON. Best protection bundle, Ailun. Best charging bricks, DENGWENQIANG. Best Charging Station, GETPALS, and Best Overall Accessory, ESR Classic Hybrid. Check the links below for updated pricing because prices change constantly. And if this video helped you upgrade your iPhone setup without wasting money, hit subscribe for more no-fluff tech buying guides. And tell me in the comments, what's the one accessory you absolutely can't live without?